Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a table on Canva. So here, I've already opened a blank design on my Canva, and to create a table, you can just use the Canva assistant. So here, go to the Canva assistant by clicking on this little circle on the right bottom corner. Okay, so in here, just scroll down and click on show more, and you'll see there is an option to create a table. This one, add table, click on this and decide the size of your table. See in here how many rows or columns that you want. So for example, I'm going to create this 5 times 4 table. Click on this. Okay, you can see this is the table will be created, and here you can adjust the size by dragging the edges like this. You can also adjust the size of, for example, let's try to click on the three dots icon. Here there are tables settings that you can see: merge cells, add column, delete column, move column to the right, or here you can also set the size rows. For example, I'm going to size row equally like this, so the rows will be in the same size. So that's very simple. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.